we will discuss how to find inverse Laplace transform by using first shifting theorem. Find inverse Laplace transform to the function 2 by s plus 2 whole cube. When we have this kind of functions in terms of the parameter s, we can use an application of first shifting theorem. For this, we consider inverse Laplace transform of 2 by s plus 2 whole cube. Here 2 is constant. Now 2 times of inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s cube, where s is replaced with s plus 2. Here we have written this function as a solo function in terms of the parameter s. We know that inverse Laplace transform to the function 1 by s power n plus 1 is 1 by n factorial t power n. According to this formula, 2 times of L inverse of 1 by s power 3 can be expressed as 2 plus 1, where s is replaced with s plus 2. We know that the first shifting theorem, L inverse of f bar of s plus a is e power minus at f of t. So here a is 2, therefore 2 times of e power negative 2t, since a is 2, e power negative 2t, L inverse of f of s, that is only f of t. So L inverse of 1 by s power 2 plus 1, according to it we get t square by 2 factorial. We know that 2 factorial is 2, 2 cancelled. We have t square times of e power negative 2t. Hence, which is the required inverse Laplace transform to this function by using first shifting theorem. Next question. Find the inverse Laplace transform of 2s plus 3 by s square negative 4s plus 13. It is a function in terms of the parameter s. We can apply first shifting theorem and then we can estimate inverse Laplace transform of the function in terms of s. We consider inverse Laplace transform of this function. Let us assume that 2s plus 3 by s square negative 4s plus 13 as f of s. Now take inverse Laplace transform on both sides of this result. L inverse of f of s is L inverse of 2s plus 3 by s square negative 4s plus 13. Here one can observe the denominator expression. It is a quadratic expression. Now it can be expressed as sum of squares. L inverse of 2s plus 3 s square negative 4s plus 4 plus 9, s negative 2 whole square is only the first 3 terms, that is s square negative 4s plus 4, and the remaining term is only 9. So this is only the denominator expression. It can be expressed in terms of s negative 2. Based on this s negative 2, the numerator also can be expressed as L inverse of 2s, 3 can be expressed as 7 negative 4. Why we have written this 2s negative 4? Here already we have regrouped this quadratic expression as x negative 2 whole square plus 9. That is why wherever we have s, that s is consists s negative 2. L inverse of 2 is common factor, s negative 2 by s negative 2 whole square plus 9 plus 7 times of L inverse of 1 by s negative 2 whole square plus 9. We know that L inverse of f bar of s negative a is e power at f of t. It is a first shifting theorem. According to this first shifting theorem, here 2 is constant, A is 2 here, e power 2t, remaining L inverse of s by s square plus 9. It is a solo function in terms of the parameter s, plus 7 times of, according to first shifting property, a is 2 here, 7 times of e power 2t, f of t is L inverse of 1 by s square plus 9. We know that inverse Laplace transform to s by s square plus a square is cosine at, and also inverse Laplace transform to the function 1 by s square plus a square is 1 by a sin at. Using these two formulae, 2 times of e power 2t itself, L inverse of s by s square plus 3 square became cosine 3t, plus 7 e power 2t, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 3 square became 1 by 3 sin 3t, hence which is the required inverse Laplace transform to this function by utilizing first shifting property.